your girl Shivy. Merry Christmas to you all. I'm gonna do my Christmas unboxing, and I just got my hair done. I just do it. How it look? Let me do a good job. Yeah. Oh, my hair is from Woodlands. My hair is from Woodlands. They're like my go-to hair supplier. So just to my hair, I'm taking my niece and my nephew out for ice cream, and I'm just going to jump into my unboxing. If you're new here, my name is Shivy. Welcome to my OG subscribers. Welcome back, and happy new year when it comes out. I have much. I have 3 boxes. I have 2 over here. So these are from moi. I think I'm gonna pull these first and get them out of the way. I'm gonna bother to wrap them. Me too lazy for that. So I'm gonna pull them out of the box. I'm not even where to start. Right? What the hell is going on? From the earliest them to the box. You know, this is from the old Pandora. Honestly, the box, I don't know. Pandora days. Some of all the documents. The docs. Yeah. And these, I got these from Black Friday sale. Feels like a little purse. Let me show you guys. Well, I can't see it. Can I see it? I'm gonna do the thing I'm for use. So it's my bracelet. It has like maybe about 7 or 8 on it. So this is like a new addition. Because I want to pull it out. Let me show you. Oh no, it not pick it up. It's a little purse with a little art on it. Yeah, so it's a new addition for the bracelet. Alright, me get into the next one. So I'm just gonna pull my gifts out the way, the one that's about myself. So these are 2. More people. Oh. This is art. The dog was something like in the one. My tea. So it's a heart. Let me see. Pandora charm them tiny, you know, so they're not really visible. So I have to pull off the bracelet to make it, you know, make it make sense. So 2 down. Alright. Pull this one. full size. So it's Marc Jacobs. Oh my god, I love this. My dear. Receipts. Is this a gift for the card? Let me read together. Merry Christmas, Miss Beautiful. Continue capturing every moment. Right, let's get into it. So get a drone. Oh my god. So this is a V11 Pro. Capture your happy moments from above. Okay, so now I'm in my vlog era. Yeah, this is a perfect gift for to get the perfect vlogs. You understand? So you can capture above and get that nicely aesthetically pleasing look from above. Yeah, so this is definitely gonna do that work. Oh my god. Ooh, what am I breaking? Never know. This is how it looks. Why do I always think a drone is out big? This is how it looks. Am I the one supposed to pull it out? But I gotta, please don't make me break anything. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I need to leave the camera at the front. Guess we need to tear off this. I'm ready to go. Yes, I'm going to do a big bad vlog there. Capture the moments of a road. Alright, so I'm going to jump into the last one. So tight. Tight. Ah. 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 So I got 2 gold charms and 1 silver bracelet. Oh my god, these are beautiful. That's them. Alright, open the bracelet separate. Like the bracelet is so cute. So cute. And these are the charm. Which one is this? I think these are 2. This is 2 arts. Not sure. Yeah. But I love them. They're beautiful. They are beautiful. And guys, before I go outside, I go test the drone and see how it works. I don't know. Outside it kind of rainy, a bit rainy. So I don't know if the quality is going to be good. I don't know if it wants to charge. So if I don't do it today, I am going to do it the next day. But I'm going on the road with my nephew and my niece. So ice cream time. So I'll see you on the road. Hello. Can I have 3 single phone, please? Hello. Hello. Oh, thank you. This one is yours. Guys, come test the drone to see how it perform. And it give me L. L, it give me, but it up in the air. Yes, thank God you don't have the iPhone. No, it rain, so the atmosphere now looks so bright. Well, let me show you guys. I'm so excited. See it up in the air. Yeah, up in the air. Woo! I'm so excited. Yeah. I'm gonna fly it and show you how I'm doing thing. Number 2, no? The pilot of the I think we're good. Without cooking. Alright? At the big pilot, the 2, no? That's all. Sampai nawalan. Breeze, amada, McLean nawalan.